When you're creating a video marketing strategy for a business, the end goal is sales, right? So why not make every video about selling? Well, when we consider that people make decisions based on emotion first, then that becomes clear. After all, selling can often feel like a slap in the face unless we built a relationship with our customer first. G'day, I'm Ben Amos from Engage Video Marketing, and on this channel I share tips, tricks and strategies to help you engage your ideal audience to action through effective online video strategy. Thanks for joining me. And if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, hit that subscribe button and then the bell so you'll get each new video as it releases here on YouTube. So if our video strategy is not all about selling, then what sorts of videos should a business have within an effective video marketing strategy? Well, I'm going to simplify it in this video into 3 main types of videos that every business should have. So here we go. In a previous video, I shared about the concept of feel, think, do as it applies to humans and marketing. So in this video, I'm going to take this idea a step further and make it tactical for you and talk about how that applies to the 3 main types of videos that you should be creating within an effective video marketing strategy. Remember that in a marketing strategy, our goal is to connect on an emotional level first with our customers. After all, great first impressions count. So to do this, we need to create a video strategy that gets our customers to buy in before we ask them to buy. And it's that buying in that is exactly what the goal of video 1 is all about. I call this video type a brand story or a why video. And the goal of this video is to connect on an emotional level with your customers, to help them understand that you get them, that they can resonate with you. If your ideal customer watches this video and doesn't say to themselves, this video is for me, then you've missed the mark entirely. The second thing that this type of video should be doing is to take your ideal audience on some sort of a journey to help them understand from where they are now, how you can help them get to where they want to be. So it's important to tap into the power of storytelling. This is the power of a storytelling approach to this type of video. The third thing that this type of video needs to do is to communicate your brand or business's why. Why? Because when people connect with the underlying reason why your business exists, why you do what you do, then they're connecting on an emotional level with your brand or business, and this is so powerful that it simply can't be ignored. The second type of video that your business needs moves to the middle of the funnel when your ideal audience is considering a purchase, whether they'll buy something or not. This type of video needs to provide value to your audience. It needs to educate, inform, inspire, entertain. I call this type of video helpful content, and the goal is to deepen the relationship with your ideal customer further before asking them to buy from you. Here, you'll be using video that allows you and your people to show up for your customer with the information that they need to position you and your people as experts and your products as the best fit for their needs. The power of video here is it allows people to connect emotionally with you and your people to build on that trust factor, but also to communicate rational information that answers the questions that people actually have. The power of video here is it allows people to connect emotionally with you and your brand, but also to provide rational information that your customers want prior to purchasing from you. Importantly, these videos are not sales pitches. You need to filter everything that you do in these videos through the question of what's in it for them, your customer. So after helpful content, we move through to the third type of video within an effective marketing strategy, and I call this video type sales-focused content. After all, if our marketing doesn't influence sales, then you won't have much of a business for long. Sales-focused videos need to do exactly that. Make the sale. These videos should be all about overcoming the objections that your audience has to potentially buying from you. They have rational questions, concerns, or they need rational information. So these videos should help overcome those objections and move your ideal audience closer to making the decision to part with their cash and buy from you. The role of this video is to effectively do what a good salesperson would do face-to-face in a bricks and mortar store. If you play this video right and you use them in the right ways online, then the barriers to sale come breaking down and the conversions start rolling in. So 3 types of videos critical for any business to have as part of an effective marketing strategy. Storytelling video that connects on an emotional level, helpful content that provides rational information that people are looking for, and then sales-focused videos that overcomes objections and gets people across the line. And I want to hear from you. What types of videos are you currently focusing on, and which type do you need to do better? Drop me a note in the comments below, and if you found this video useful, I encourage you to head on over and check out this one here next, which will help you dive deeper into developing an effective video strategy for your business, and I'll see ya over there.